new 2021 Fiat 500e debuts with 118 horsepower and 199 miles of range. The timeless shape of the 500 is retained with the new model, but there are notable differences such as the thick roof pillars, the smooth bodywork, new LED headlights, and a fresh front fascia. The Fiat badge is also gone from the front, replaced with a larger 500 badge in the grille. There are many innovations inside as well. The dashboard expands horizontally and integrates the 10.25-inch touchscreen, as well as a series of buttons that resemble the keys of a piano. The instrument panel is replaced by a 7-inch digital screen. The new 500e uses a single electric motor with a 42 kWh battery pack to get around town. The motor develops 118 horsepower, which Fiat says can send the 500e to 62 miles per hour in 9 seconds. Flat out, the electric Fiat will reach 93 miles per hour, and if you are light with the throttle, it offers a range of 199 miles per Euro spec WLTP standards. When it's time for a charge, the 500e can reclaim 80% of its range in 35 minutes using an 85 kilowatt charger. Home charging generally takes around 14 hours. The new Fiat 500e can be ordered today in Euro markets, with a special launch edition available at a starting price of 37,500 euros. 500 copies will be produced, each featuring LED headlights, eco leather seats, 17-inch wheels, chrome exterior trim, and the full gamut of available driver assist. Pricing and availability in other markets will be announced at a later date.